Alright, this is Bob before Pro Tandem. Okay, come on, Bob. Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, in the morning. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Joe, could you call him? Oh, and we're sitting. And we're sitting. Bob, how you feeling? And Charles? Bob, come here, Bob. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bob. Let's go outside. Bob is moving so good today. Oh, he's happy. Pro Tandem saved my life. Day 3. He's moving really good. You doing good, Bob? Come on, could you walk for me? Come on. Look at how fast he gets out. He's good. He's good. Come on, baby. Oh, you got your toy? What do you want to do? Go outside?